Hello dear children, welcome back. I'm Dr. Jisha Joe. In this session, we shall have a look at the important points from the topic thyroid gland, and we shall also discuss the important questions that you can expect from this topic. So children, from the topic thyroid gland, first and foremost you can expect a location and role type question. Location and role of thyroid gland. Location situated in front of the neck below the larynx. In the front of the neck below the larynx, thyroid gland is located, and the function or the role of thyroid gland is to secrete thyroxine. Okay, another question, second question that you can expect is a diagram based question to identify the gland. So look at the diagram carefully. We know thyroid is a bilobed structure. It is a butterfly shaped gland which is located in front of the neck below the larynx. So identification of the gland and questions based on the diagram can be asked. Okay, now coming to the thyroxine hormone, again a location and role type question can be asked. Location and role of thyroxine. What is the location? Secreted by the thyroid gland. And what are the functions or the role of thyroid gland? It regulates basal metabolism. It influences the general body growth. It helps in ossification of bones. Ossification of bones means in the formation of bones. It regulates the body temperature, and it is important in the mental development of the individual. So these are the functions of thyroxine hormone. Okay, since location and role is a 1-mark question, you need not write all the functions, but you can at least write two functions of the hormone if location and role is asked. Okay, so it regulates basal metabolism. Now another question that you can expect is definition of basal metabolism. Now, what is basal metabolism? It is the rate of cellular oxidation resulting in the production of heat when the body is at rest. Rate of cellular oxidation resulting in heat production when the body is at rest. That is basal metabolism. You can expect a definition question. Define basal metabolism. Okay. Now, coming to the thyroxine gland again, there are two conditions where thyroxine, the first condition is when thyroxine is secreted more than what is normal, what is needed by the body, and second condition is when thyroxine is secreted in less amounts than what is needed by the body. So under secretion of thyroxine is otherwise called as hypothyroidism. Under secretion of thyroxine is called hypothyroidism, and over secretion of thyroxine is called hyperthyroidism. Now two conditions are there resulting from hypothyroidism. First one is simple goiter, second is cretinism, and third is mixed edema. Now simple goiter, what is actually simple goiter? Remember, it is due to hypothyroidism. It is in simple goiter, the enlargement of the thyroid gland occurs, and this condition is due to iodine deficiency. Okay, here you can expect to give reasons. One is simple goiter is common in people living in hilly areas. What is the reason? In hilly areas, the diet is deficient in iodine. Okay, seafoods are rich in iodine. In hilly areas, people do not get seafoods, or the diet is deficient in iodine. Iodine is necessary for the formation of thyroxine hormone. So that is the reason why simple goiter is common in people living in hilly areas. The second reason you can expect is use of iodized salt is recommended. Again, the answer is iodine is necessary for the formation of thyroxine. If there is a deficiency of thyroxine, it will result in the enlargement of the thyroid gland, resulting in simple goiter. So two reasons you can expect from that small topic. The second condition due to hypothyroidism is cretinism. Cretinism, remember, it is a condition affecting young children. Okay, and it is due to the defective development of the thyroid gland. Okay, and due to cretinism or cretinism causes dwarfism and mental retardation in children. So these are the points that you should know regarding cretinism. It affects young children. It is due to the defective development of thyroid gland, and it causes dwarfism and mental retardation in children. The third condition is mixed edema. Okay, it affects adults. So the basic difference between cretinism and mixed edema, you might be asked a question to differentiate between cretinism and mixed edema. Who are the ones who are affected? Cretinism affects young children, whereas mixed edema affects adult. Okay, now here in this, thyroid gland doesn't work properly. Okay, that is the cause of mixed edema. The gland doesn't work properly, and it results in sluggishness and swelling of hands and feet. So person suffering from mixed edema shows sluggishness and swelling of face and hands can be noticed. So you can expect a differentiation type question from this, that is differentiate between cretinism and mixed edema. Okay, so these are the three conditions caused due to hypothyroidism or under secretion of thyroxine. Now moving on to hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism is the over secretion of thyroxine hormone. So the condition, this will result in a condition called exophthalmic goiter. Now, what are the features of a person suffering from exophthalmic goiter? It forms goiter. Second one, protruded eyes. Such a person will have the eyes protruded. Then increased metabolic rate is noticed and rapid heartbeat. So these are the characteristic features of a person suffering from exophthalmic goiter. Here you can expect a question as what is the cause of exophthalmic goiter, or differentiate between simple goiter and exophthalmic goiter cause. Okay, simple goiter is caused due to hypothyroidism. Exophthalmic goiter is caused due to hyperthyroidism. So these are the important points to be remembered in this topic, and we have also discussed the important questions that you can expect from this topic. Okay, so I hope this session is clear to all of you. If you have any doubts in this session, please ask your doubts and give your suggestions in the comment section. Thank you.